Good day to you, gentlemen. Thank you for stopping by. It's good to know you. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe and become a member of the Rich Boy family. For the rest of you brothers, hit that thumbs up for me. We're still conversing about discipline and how it is an important attribute to help us shape our lives. As we've been discussing over the past couple of weeks, discipline is often perceived through a lens of restriction and control. So we are going to talk about how we have to change our minds and the way we think about disciplining ourselves. Brothers, we have to get our minds wrapped around this concept. It is important. It is crucial. Listen, when you establish boundaries and create a routine, you become harnessed to creating a structured environment where autonomy can thrive. Autonomy is just another word for self-governance, governing yourself independently. In other words, self-control. Having structure allows you to enhance your self-respect as an individual, and it teaches you how to manage your time, your energy, and your resources effectively. Discipline manifests across various aspects of your life that includes our personal development, our career advancement, and our relationship dynamics, be it family, intimate, friends, or business. Discipline will cultivate resilience and gives you the ability to overcome obstacles every time, and you will face them. So you might as well be well prepared and equipped. Gentlemen, discipline and structure encourages you to set clear goals and take small steps towards achieving them. The process not only builds skills, but it also builds knowledge, which fosters wisdom, and that alone instills a sense of accomplishment and reinforces the importance and values of self-discipline. So let's start here. Structure, because without structure, you can't have discipline, and without discipline, you can't have structure. They go hand in hand. Start with your environment. When you establish a structured environment, you free yourself from distractions. First and foremost, if you're living in an environment that's not clean or junky, you gotta fix that. If your bedroom is junky, you need to get that cleaned up. Get rid of the clutter, throw away the papers you don't need and the ones that are important, file them away. You don't need a filing cabinet, put them organized in the box. Clean your house, come on fellas, we know better, so we do better. You need a clean environment, because living or working in the dirty or cluttered environment has a direct impact on your mental health, your physical health, and your spiritual growth, and that's the bona fide truth. Here's an age-old quote from Shohei Matsumoto: mastering yourself by mastering the space in which you live. The fundamental component in enhancing your capacity for discipline is the environment whereby which you live. The concept of structure encompasses not only the physical arrangement of your surroundings, but also the routine and schedule that govern your daily life. From a psychological perspective, brothers, change your mind. Change the way you think. Having a consistent routine serves to minimize distractions and reduces fatigue. When you engage in a routine that is predefined and is predictable, you will spend less mental energy determining which course of action to take at any given moment. So, let's do it this way. Set a specific time to wake every morning for 14 days straight, even on the weekends. And when you wake, get up. Don't beat the snooze button half to death. Rise and shine. Leave your phone alone. You're not missing anything that won't be happening or has not already happened. Wash your face, brush your teeth, and take a 5-minute stretch. Get your blood flowing. Meditate, pray, or both. You know I believe in prayer. I challenge you brothers to set a structure in place like this one, or something similar for 14 days, and watch how you'll change. Check out my website, RICHBOY Entertainment 903. Brothers, keep your head up, keep your head up. I said keep your head up. I'll catch you on the next video. Gentlemen, let's get it. Shalom.